Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today is my first day in class. Hello everyone. Today is my first day in class. 3. I am very happy. Very happy. All my friends are also very happy. My name is, यहाँ पे अपना नाम लिखना जो भी है. My name is dash. खाली जगह को डैश बोलते हैं. डैश. I like to speak. I like to speak with my friends in English. My teachers help. My teachers help me to learn through games and activities. Games and activities. I know some poems and I love to recite with my friends. I come to school. I come to school every day to learn new things. It's fun to learn. It's fun to learn and play in school. There are boys and girls in my classroom. Boys, girls, classroom. We listen. टी की आवाज़ नहीं आएगी. टी साइलेंट वर्ड है, साइलेंट लेटर जिसकी आवाज़ नहीं आती, लिखा जाता है. We listen to our teachers. We listen to our teachers. There are a few rules. There are a few rules for the classroom. My teacher has made a poster showing classroom. Rules so that we could. इसके अंदर एल की आवाज़ नहीं आएगी. We could follow them.